Hey guys, welcome back. Today I finally got my microphone wire. It feels so nice. God. Today I'm going to be reviewing all my art because I'm one of those channels that just loves all my art. Oh my god, yes, queen. Yes. 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 Oh my god. I have 0 buddies. What the heck is that sound? Huh? We're gonna dance right here because I don't know what else to do. Let's make some cotton candy. Today I'm Julian too. Today I'm going to be talking about weird conspiracy theories. First is a party quitting animal. In Pepper, they never post anymore. In which, look how long ago they were on. Search up Pepper. She was on 1 day ago. Now let's look at the party. This says how long a party was on 13 days ago? What? You add me as a buddy? What? I've never seen this Apari. Never been on. Will he quit? I'll never. So as you can tell, my voice is a little bit more quieter because I'm deciding not to put my face so close to the microphone. Okay. I'm gonna get adopted. Let's see, I'll be my bunny. Let me just take this disgusting scarf off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's just put this thing, what the heck are on my feet? You, no. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to get adopted. First, look like a cute bunny. Here's my cute bunny. First, say, adopt me. I'm recording BTW. I'm cute. XD. If that's the person reacting to me saying that, then so my sister. Oh my god, I'm taking a screenshot. No, I don't want to put that. Ew. I'm gonna make that the thumbnail of the video. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Adopt me, I'm recording, by the way. I'm cute. Adopt me. Oh my god. I'm Rockabilly Kitty, you guys. Oh my god. I'm leaving. Take a screenshot of that. No, I won't. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay, good. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna delete this. Good. Okay. It's been 4 minutes and all I've been screaming is, adopt me, I'm recording. By the way, I'm cute. Adopt me, I ran away from my last family. Aww. XD, whatever. I'm gonna go now. Bye-bye. Gonna make some popcorn. Yes, delicious. Yes, I got I got some popcorn. Better to not have any sound for this. What? There's no new videos. Oh my god. I'm gonna change the video. There. Oh my god, that's something good.
Hey Jammers, Eric from HAHQ here. We love making Animal Jam videos for you guys. And if there's one comment that we see all the time, it's from Jammers saying that they've had their account compromised or have been scammed or hacked, which really bums us out. First, let's address the myth. No one is being hacked. Animal Jam accounts can be compromised, and that's because jammers are either sharing their information with other people or websites.
That's not true. People can actually get hacked like that.
On other sites,
people can do like the expect element and all that jazz.
Like password. So since today is a strong password, for example, you don't want to make it something easy, like I love AJ. Start by picking a word you can remember, but would be hard for you to guess. For instance, I secretly love donuts. No one would guess that I have a donut obsession. I don't use that word in any other password. So I'm starting my password. Double donuts. That's good, but definitely not a strong enough password.
That's a very strong password. Nobody can guess my password.
Stronger. Like threes, zeros, dashes, and question marks. Now the password is 33-double-00 question mark.
That's way too hard.
Donuts question mark. Better, but there are definitely ways to make it even stronger. Hopefully, our example password helps you come up with some super secure passwords of your own. Remember, your account info is safe with us and can't be accessed by other
password.
players.
Yeah.
The only way that someone can access your account is if they know your password. So never, ever give your password out to another person or website. Even if that person or site promises to give you the rarest item ever. At HAHQ, we call that phishing. And it's an attempt to get your...
Okay, let's see if there's a... Where's another feed here? I forgot where another feed here. Oh my god, where's another feed? Oh, right here. I'm so sad. They took out, the little thing. Ugh, that fish went crazy. Come on. Dang it, there's nothing new. I don't know why people say, yeah, there's new videos.
Hey, Animal Jammers.
Oh god. They're just old videos. Wait a second. Oh, yes. Okay. I got one feed after some. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video there because this was the most randomest video ever. Like, I'm just gonna name it random. Doing random things in Animal Jam. So that's all for today's video. Bye-bye, my precious snickerdoodle.